Welcome back to Learn Languages. Today we talk about something you use every single day: technology, computers, phones, the internet, social media. These things are everywhere in modern life. And in this lesson, you will learn to talk about all of them in English. Let's go. First, let's learn device vocabulary. A device is a machine we use like a phone or a computer. Listen and repeat. Smartphone, smartphone. Laptop, laptop. Tablet, charger, charger. This is what you use to charge or fill your battery. Battery, battery. Headphones, headphones. Screen, screen. Camera, camera. Speaker, speaker. Password, password. This is the secret word or number that unlocks your device. Now let's talk about actions with technology. Things you do on your phone or computer. Listen and repeat. To search, to search. You search on Google when you want to find information. To download, to download. You download an app or a file from the internet. To upload, to upload. You upload a photo to Instagram. To send, to send. You send a message or an email. To reply, to reply. You reply to a message someone sent you. To click, to click. You click a button on a website. To scroll, to scroll. You scroll down a web page or social media feed. To share, to share. You share a video or photo with other people. To log in, to log in. You log into your account with your username and password. To log out, to log out. You log out when you finish. Now let's learn internet vocabulary. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, the wireless internet connection. Website, website, a page on the internet like google.com. App, app, a program on your phone like WhatsApp or YouTube. Link, link, something you click to go to another page. Username, username, your name on a website or app. Profile, profile, page on social media. Notification, notification, an alert that tells you something happened. A message, a like, a comment, comment, comment. A written message below a post. Subscribe, subscribe, to follow a channel or website for new content. Like Part 13 taught you about work, now subscribe to this lesson. Now let's learn some very common tech phrases. My phone is dead, dead. That means the battery is empty. 0%. My phone is dead. Do you have a charger? Practice. My phone is dead. Do you have a charger? Very useful. Another one, the Wi-Fi is not working. Say it. The Wi-Fi is not working. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Practice. Excuse me, can I have the Wi-Fi password? You will need this in every cafe, hotel, and office. More useful phrases. My internet is slow. Slow. The opposite of fast. My internet is so slow today. You can say, I need to restart the router. Router. That is the box that provides your Wi-Fi at home. Restart. Turn it off and turn it back on. This fixes many problems. Another one, I can't connect to the Wi-Fi. Connect, that means link to the network. I can't connect to the Wi-Fi. Or my phone is not connecting. You might also say, the app is crashing. Crashing. That means the app closes suddenly and stops working. Now let's talk about social media. Social media is very important today. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, these are all social media platforms. Platform. That is the name for a social media service. You can say, I saw your photo on Instagram, or did you watch that video on YouTube? I posted a new photo. Post. That means share something on social media. She posted a funny video. He commented on my photo. Commented. That means wrote a message below the photo. How many followers do you have? Followers. These are the people who follow your profile. Practice. I posted a new photo. It got many likes. Likes. When people press the heart button on your post. Let's also learn how to ask for tech help. Can you show me how to use this app? Say it. Can you show me how to use this app? How do I turn on the Wi-Fi? How do I change my password? Where do I click to send the email? Practice. Can you show me how to download this app? These are real questions people ask every day. Let's do a quick review. Device vocabulary: smartphone, laptop, tablet, charger, battery, screen. Actions: search, download, upload, send, scroll, share, log in, log out. Internet words: Wi-Fi, website, app, link, profile, notification. Phrases: my phone is dead. The Wi-Fi is not working. My internet is slow. Social media: post, like, comment, follower, platform. You now have all the words you need for modern digital life in English. That is incredible. Thank you so much for watching. This is our second to last lesson in the series. In part 15, we review everything and practice real conversations. You have worked so hard. I am very proud of you. Please like this video and leave a comment, and subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.